by cheapest premium domain name marketplace, www.brandbazaar.xyz.
14 Recommended Foods for Longevity, Part 2. Use earphones for better experience. This video is brought to you by cheapest premium domain name marketplace www.brandbazaar.xyz, and Yummy Packed Foods. Continued from Part 1 of our delve into foods recommended for longevity, today's video will be a wrap-up on the topic. Kindly note that the listed foods in this video are known to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, some cancers, chronic respiratory diseases, diabetes, and obesity, because in general retrospect they are packed with powerful antioxidants to protect your health and improve longevity. Without wasting any more time, let's hop in. 8. Plain yogurt. There's a good reason plain yogurt made this list, and part of it is because it's packed with protein and is low in carbohydrates and sugar. In fact, one 170-gram container of plain yogurt contains a whopping 19 grams of protein, nearly 30% of the recommended daily allowance for men and around 40% for women. 9. Avocado. This creamy, green fruit is loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C, K, B, E and A, as well as fiber and healthy fats. It also contains a high amount of potassium, even more than a banana. Here is the thing, potassium helps to lower blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of salt in our diet. Do know that, the more potassium you eat, the more sodium you lose through urine. 10. Coconut oil. When consumed in moderation, about 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, coconut oil can be good for your heart. The saturated fats in coconut oil are different from the ones in animal sources and have been shown to have some health benefits. Coconut oil is also an excellent source of vitamin E, so it makes an excellent natural moisturizer both for our skin and hair, any day. 11. Turmeric. This apex spice has been shown to provide a whole bunch of health benefits, including preventing heart disease, some cancers, depression and arthritis. It will interest you to know that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is what gives this super spice its inflammation-fighting powers. Today, turmeric is virtually added to everything, from soups, stews, porridges to rice and even to smoothies, for additional nutritional value. 12. Oatmeal. When it comes to whole grains, it doesn't get much healthier than oats, which from thorough research have been linked to lowering blood sugar levels and cholesterol. It will interest you to know that a bowl of oatmeal daily is a great way to get its full benefits, and don't tell me oats don't go great with pancakes. Are you Nigerian and haven't tried the Yummy Packed Foods range of mixed cereal products which come in both date and banana flavors? Then you are missing out large. Yummy Packed Foods mixed cereals is highly nutritious, nourishing, appetizing, always filling, delicious, and best of all comes in very affordable prices. Yummy Packed mixed cereals is hygienically prepared and packaged. To place your order, call, SMS or WhatsApp Yummy Packed Foods on 09020449458. Nationwide delivery available. 13. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a wonderful source of nutrients, particularly vitamin D, which help maintain healthy bones. Eating them can also help keep your mind sharp. Whether you eat them raw or cooked, you're scoring a healthy dose of anti-aging benefits with mushrooms. It's advised to always be on the lookout for edible shrooms, as some species of the mushroom family are known to be highly poisonous. 14. Tea. All variants of tea, be it green, black, white, name it, has for centuries been applauded for its health benefits, thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. While black tea consumption has been linked with improved bone density in older people, green tea on the other hand has been known to reduce the risk of prostate-related problems in older men and breast cancer in women. The recommended daily tea dosage is between 3 to 4 cups. Let's make this video go viral by sharing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on both Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and on rumble.com via the Brand Bazaar Reel. Until our next video, keep reading.
Powered by cheapest premium domain name marketplace, www.brandbazaar.xyz.